Are you struggling with high blood pressure? Look no further. Incorporating just 1 clove of garlic into your daily routine can lead to noticeable improvements in your blood pressure in just 7 days. Here are 15 reasons why garlic is such an effective and natural solution for managing blood pressure. Number 1. Acts as a natural vasodilator. Garlic's most powerful health benefits come from allicin, a sulfur compound released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin relaxes and widens blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily, which in turn reduces blood pressure. By promoting vasodilation, garlic helps reduce the strain on the heart and improves overall circulation. This makes garlic an excellent natural remedy for those looking to lower their blood pressure quickly and effectively. Number 2. Acts as a natural blood thinner. Garlic has natural blood thinning properties, which help prevent blood clots from forming in the arteries. Blood clots can restrict blood flow, raising blood pressure and increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Garlic's ability to thin the blood reduces the risk of clot formation, making it easier for the heart to pump blood and lowering overall blood pressure. By acting as a natural anticoagulant, garlic improves circulation and reduces the workload on the heart. This natural blood-thinning effect makes garlic a safe and effective remedy for lowering blood pressure without the need for medications. Number 3. Balances cholesterol levels. High cholesterol levels are often linked to hypertension and cardiovascular disease. Garlic has been shown to improve cholesterol profiles by lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, and increasing HDL, good cholesterol. This balance is crucial for maintaining healthy arteries and preventing the buildup of plaque, which can raise blood pressure. By reducing LDL cholesterol, garlic helps prevent the hardening and narrowing of arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. This improves blood flow and lowers blood pressure, protecting the heart from the risks associated with high cholesterol and hypertension. Number 4. Supports kidney function. Garlic supports healthy kidney function, which plays an important role in regulating blood pressure. The kidneys are responsible for filtering excess sodium from the blood, and too much sodium can cause blood pressure to rise. Garlic helps the kidneys function more efficiently, promoting the elimination of excess sodium and reducing fluid retention, both of which can help lower blood pressure. By supporting kidney health, garlic ensures that your body maintains a healthy balance of fluids and electrolytes, which is essential for controlling blood pressure naturally. Before we proceed to the next amazing benefit of garlic, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 5. Reduces systolic blood pressure. Systolic blood pressure, the top number in a blood pressure reading, measures the pressure in your arteries when your heart beats. High systolic pressure increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. Garlic has been shown to effectively lower systolic blood pressure by helping to relax the blood vessels and reduce resistance to blood flow. In clinical studies, individuals who consume garlic supplements or raw garlic saw significant reductions in systolic blood pressure within just a week. Regular consumption of garlic can help keep systolic pressure in check, reducing your risk of cardiovascular complications. Number 6. Lowers diastolic blood pressure. Garlic doesn't just target systolic blood pressure, it also helps lower diastolic blood pressure, which measures the pressure in your arteries between heartbeats. Diastolic hypertension is particularly concerning because it can lead to long-term damage to the heart and blood vessels if left untreated. Consuming garlic daily can lead to a reduction in diastolic pressure, making it easier for the heart to pump blood efficiently. By lowering both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, garlic provides a comprehensive approach to managing hypertension safely and naturally. Number 7. Supports healthy blood sugar levels. Garlic has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially beneficial for individuals with hypertension who are also managing diabetes or prediabetes. High blood sugar can damage blood vessels, leading to increased blood pressure over time. By improving insulin sensitivity and helping to regulate glucose levels, garlic can reduce the negative impact that high blood sugar has on your cardiovascular system. Lowering blood sugar levels reduces the risk of further damage to blood vessels and helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Incorporating garlic into your daily diet can provide both blood pressure and blood sugar benefits, offering dual protection for your heart and circulatory system. Number 8, reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to high blood pressure and cardiovascular diseases. Garlic contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, including sulfur compounds, which help reduce inflammation throughout the body. By lowering inflammation, garlic helps prevent damage to the blood vessels and arteries, reducing the risk of hypertension. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties also benefit the heart by protecting it from oxidative stress, which can cause further inflammation and damage. Number 9, rich in antioxidants. Garlic is packed with antioxidants, which protect the body from oxidative damage that can contribute to high blood pressure and heart disease. Oxidative stress can lead to the stiffening of arteries, increasing blood pressure and the risk of cardiovascular problems. The antioxidants in garlic help neutralize free radicals, preventing cellular damage and improving overall heart health. Number 10, helps with weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for managing blood pressure, and garlic can aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism and reducing appetite. Studies have shown that garlic stimulates the production of a hormone called norepinephrine, which helps burn fat and increase energy expenditure. By helping you manage your weight, garlic can indirectly lower your blood pressure. Excess weight puts additional strain on the heart and blood vessels, raising blood pressure. Number 11, enhances nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a molecule that plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure by relaxing and widening blood vessels. Garlic has been shown to boost nitric oxide production in the body, which helps lower blood pressure by improving blood flow and reducing vascular resistance. Increased nitric oxide levels make it easier for blood to circulate, which reduces the pressure on artery walls. The increased production of nitric oxide from garlic consumption can result in rapid improvements in blood pressure, often within just a few days. This effect is one of the reasons garlic is so effective in helping people with hypertension manage their condition naturally. Number 12, helps reduce stress hormones. Stress is a major factor in elevated blood pressure, as it triggers the release of hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which constrict blood vessels and raise blood pressure. Garlic contains compounds that help reduce the production of stress hormones, allowing blood vessels to relax and reducing hypertension. By lowering stress levels and promoting relaxation, garlic helps prevent stress-induced spikes in blood pressure, making it an excellent addition to any blood pressure management plan. Number 13, supports heart health. Garlic is one of the best natural foods for overall heart health. In addition to its ability to lower blood pressure, garlic helps reduce cholesterol levels, prevent blood clots, and improve circulation, all of which are critical for maintaining a healthy heart. Regular consumption of garlic has been linked to a reduced risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular diseases. By supporting heart health in multiple ways, garlic provides comprehensive protection against hypertension-related heart issues. Including garlic in your diet daily can ensure long-term heart health and lower your risk of serious heart conditions. Number 14, easy to incorporate into your diet. One of the best things about garlic is how easy it is to incorporate into your diet. Whether raw or cooked, garlic can be added to a wide variety of dishes, making it a versatile and convenient remedy for high blood pressure. You can add garlic to soups, salads, stir-fries, and sauces, or add garlic to smoothies. Add a small clove of raw garlic to green smoothies, particularly those with strong flavors like kale, spinach, or ginger. Combine with ingredients such as apple, lemon, cucumber, and greens to help mask the garlic's intensity. Just 1 clove of garlic a day is enough to see a reduction in blood pressure within a week. Its convenience, effectiveness, and safety make garlic an ideal natural solution for those looking to manage their blood pressure without medication. If you want the health benefits of garlic without the taste or smell, garlic supplements are an option. These can be taken daily, though it's a good idea to consult a healthcare provider first. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and for more amazing videos, subscribe to our channel.